welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jocelyn Imani. I am she is me, Jocelyn Imani. So today we're going to Field of Scream, which is like a haunted house / maze attraction thing in Pennsylvania. So we decided to take a little road trip, very last minute, but yeah, we're gonna go have fun. So I'm here with my two buddies. My way. So this is ARIS. You guys have met ARIS before, and Felix is back there, but you guys will see him later in my vlog. But yeah, so we're about to head over to Field of Scream, so we'll see you guys when we get there. We're here at Field of Screams. This doesn't even look scary. Ooh, ARIS. Okay, we're here. We're finally here. I'm here with my best friend. Say what's up. Oh. Oh my god. You were like, oh. You recording? Say hi. So this is Felix. And this is ARIS. But you know ARIS, I said that already. Oh my god, they scared me already. Oh my gosh. I'm like freezing already. You should live the ARIS a lot, right? A little bit better. So, how do you feel right now? Are you scared?
Nah.
You're not scared? Cool. How about you? Are you scared?
Cool, man. I'm chilling.
I'm okay.
Never survive this dark hidden mind.
Okay, it's dark. We're on a ride. I'm putting the camera close to my face because I don't know if you guys can hear me with the mask. So I'm just gonna keep this video going so y'all can hear what's going on, since y'all can't really see it like that. Or you know what, I'll just point the camera the other direction. So, yep. And we're sitting down right now, so it's very ghetto. I'm gonna record like this. Oh my gosh. I'm like, damn, they come behind you? Why is it getting so dark? Oh my god, I'm scared.
Yo, watch, they're gonna come behind you.
Oh my god. I shouldn't say that, I'm sorry. Oh my god. It's okay, it happens. Oh my god.
But let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Quick jump out for you, let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I run down on the bar, I have a nigga running me. Talk your shit, bite your lip. Ask for a call while you ride that dick. While you really ain't never got him fucking for a thing. You already made his mind. pictures of this wet ass.
I'm gonna catch someone else. You're not gonna catch me laughing at it.
Damn, it's loud. What just went on me? Anyway, so I'm not excited for this. I am not excited for this at all.
What?
I'm not excited for this.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I hate that.
This is like what they play at the end of every movie after they just kill people. Oh my god, my biggest fear is Trump supporter.
I know.
Seriously though.
What did I do? Weird.
Anyways.
Ew, what is that?
I know, I saw that. They just know rednecks are scary.
This rock is so bad.
What is this? Are these baths? Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh, I saw one just walk by. I saw someone walk by. God. Audie! I know! With the corn maze, and now we're gonna go to get some pretzels, and we're also gonna go to another ride. There was like this person just in the maze just breathing on my neck trying to scare me, like, oh, I hate being scared. But
Go on to that one next.
no, let's go to Aunt Annie's first.
After, no, I know, after Aunt Annie.
Oh yeah,
to that one next.
you're right, I gotta make sure we get Aunt Annie's.
Yeah, of course, I want some pretzels, dog.
So, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you scared?
I'm hungry.
How about you, Felix?
I'm feeling, I got the munchies.
Oh yeah, I did too. Woo. What maze are we going on next?
It's right there.
What does it say?
You can't see it. I can't see it. I'm blind. I don't have my glasses.
Nocturnal something. Wasteland. Ooh. We're about to go on some red. Oh, there's another Aunt Annie's over there. So we're finished with the Field of Scream. It wasn't that bad. I mean, I didn't really get that scared. I thought I was gonna get more scared, but that's probably because I was just trying to walk through and ignore them. I really wasn't trying to. How about you guys? What do you guys think?
It wasn't scary.
Yeah, it wasn't scary. This is really cool, like effects and stuff like that. They have really nice effects. But I didn't get to film every single maze. I only got to film like the first part, and that was it, because everything else was super dark, so I didn't want you guys to just hear us the entire time when you could have like just seen us. So yeah, so basically that's it. We are done with, what's it called again? We're done with Field of Scream. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was really short. I'm sorry about that because everything was really dark in there and we only really got to film like the first part of the maze, but it was really good. It was fun. We had a great time and the effects were awesome. It wasn't that scary, but it was fun. I know they had fun, right? Y'all had fun?
Yeah.
Period. That was what matters. So alright guys, so thanks so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, or I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Stay tuned for more videos. New video every single Monday. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you always get notified as to when I post. Follow me on my social media. Follow them if you would like to. I will add their social medias. Yes, follow them, ARIS and FELIX. I would put their information in the description box down below if y'all want to follow them. And that is it for, yeah, that's all. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye, y'all.
I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Jump out for you, let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I'll run down on the bar, have a nigga.